Here's how you fill in the snake worksheet. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Then you take that number, 9 minus 4, fill in the answer there, 5 minus 3, and you continue forward all the way to the end of the snake. 2 plus 2, and so on and so forth. And then there's a second snake there that the child can work on. They just have to go slow. A lot of times they make careless errors just because they're rushing through it. The Numtanga is an interesting little activity. And what the child needs to do is find the matching value between the two boxes. So if your child is struggling with it, sometimes what I'll have them do is I'll just have them write the actual number underneath the picture so they can have, it kind of helps them as they segue into just looking at the visuals. So then they can see all of the numbers. And then I have them do it in the boxes next to it. And then they compare the numbers 4, 5, 10, 6. 2, 4, 0, 9. Once they realize which one is the match, they put it in the center between the two boxes. Then they do the same with the next one. Once they become more experienced with it, they won't need to put the numbers underneath, but if they're struggling, this really kind of helps them quite a bit. Then they look at these two boxes, 2, 4, 0, 9. 29, 1, 5. And they do the same thing with the box above it. So now they'll look at this box and the box here, do the same thing. Try to figure out what the match is and put it in there. And that's it.